What exactly is a chiropractic adjustment? Well, the spine is a series of movable bones on top of each other. What can happen is they should be aligned, but they can move out of position due to the various stressors of life. When that happens, there's going to be the nerves in the area, there's going to be pressure going to be put on it. Blood flow is going to be diverted, hormone levels are going to be altered, muscle tension is going to change. Some muscles are going to be really, really tight, some are just going to be flaccid and weak. And so there's many ways to realign the spine to take the pressure off the nerve and restore that area back to its normal function. Chiropractors, we may do it with an adjustment by hand. We even may use some technology like various different instruments. But regardless of what we do, using our hand or with that instrument, we take the vertebrae that are out of position and realign it so that the body can go back to what it normally does and feels.